If you need to request a refund from Grubhub, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your request is processed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app or website. Log into your Grubhub account using the app on your mobile device or by visiting the Grubhub website on your computer. Step 2. Access your order history. Navigate to the Orders section in your account. Here, you'll find a list of your past orders. Locate the order for which you want to request a refund. Step 3. Select the order. Click on the specific order to view its details. This will provide you with information about the items ordered, the total cost, and any relevant order status updates. Step 4. Request a refund. Look for the option to report an issue or request a refund. Follow the prompts to specify the reason for your refund request, such as missing items, incorrect orders, or food quality issues. Step 5. Submit your request. After filling out the necessary information, submit your refund request. You should receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the status of your request shortly after. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates from Grubhub regarding your refund. If you have any further questions or concerns, consider reaching out to Grubhub's customer support for assistance.